Good morning, students. I hope you all are well. So, today we will read our new chapter. It's a poem. Poem Tiger. So, what is the name of poem? It's Tiger. But before begin to our chapter, we will read hard words. Why we will read hard words? To correct pronunciation. Because correct pronunciation improve yourself and improve your reading skill. Okay, students. So first we will read hard words. Then we will start our chapter. Hard words. STALKS is stocks. STALKS, it stocks. Now STRIPES, stripes. STRIPES, stripes. PADS, pets. PADS, pets. Lurking, LURKING, it's lurking. LURKING, lurking. FANGS, fangs. FANGS, fangs. TERRORISING, it's terrorizing. Terrorizing. Once again, TERRORISING, it's terrorizing. CONCRETE, it's concrete. CONCRETE, it's concrete. Once again, we will revise. STALKS, stocks. STRIPES, strips. PADS, pads. LURKING, it's lurking. FANGS, fangs. TERRORISING, it's terrorizing. And the next one is concrete. CONCRETE, concrete. Now let's come on the point. Tiger. Tiger is a poem which is written by George Leslie Norris. George Leslie Norris. So who is the poet of this poem? George Leslie Norris. Okay, George Leslie Norris written this poem. What he wants to show in this poem? What he want to show in this poem? He want to show contrast between zoo and jungle. Here is a tiger. Here is a tiger who lived in zoo. Here is a tiger who lived in zoo. So through this poem, poet want to show contrast between his zoo life and his jungle life. Now, and this poem is about a tiger. Through this poem, we will know how the tiger feel when he live in cage. When he live in cage in the zoo, then what he feel. Now, this poem contrasts the pride and freedom of tiger in natural habitat. What is the natural habitat of a tiger? It's jungle. What is the natural habitat of tiger? Natural habitat क्या है tiger का? Jungle है. So in this poem, contrast the pride and freedom tiger in natural habitat, the jungles with its pitiable condition in zoo. According to this poem, there is a pitiable condition when tiger lives in cage. So that was a pitiable condition for a tiger. that condition described in this poem. And so much imaginary done by poet. So let we see what is in the poem. But today we will do hard words in our notebook. Goodbye. Have a nice day.